All right, everybody, just want to let you know that you are going to figure out how you're going to get to your disability or your expo. So, this is your ability expo. So, in Chicago, figure out where you want to go, but that's where we're going to be. That's where I'm going to be. And this time, I'm going to make it better than the last time. So again, Ability Expo. So figure out who you're going to go with or go with who knows or by yourself. In Chicago, this is going to be in Schaumburg. And so that's not exactly in the Chicago area, but that way. So it's going to go a little bit west. So it's a beautiful place, and the area is just fun. There's going to be some kids and some adults and all kinds of things they're going to share for you and for me. And so great ideas and great things that they might be able to find for you. So don't forget Abilities Expo, and I'll see you on June 12, 13, and 14. All right, see you all soon.